Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnAnyone channel. So today we will discuss why SAP is a good career opportunity. So why the people are switching their job into SAP, and there is a three reasons. Okay, first of all, SAP have a global careers. Second, it is a broad opportunity, and third, it is a huge demand. So that's the reason the basically student professional are looking at SAP career. So I would suggest, I mean, whoever planning to learn the SAP, so before learning, you should keep in mind, like first things you should keep in mind, that is interest. If you have a good if you have a background, let's say example a sales, so you can choose a sales. That is a plus because you have a strong things, right? If you are a technical, let's say program background, right, you should go for the technical, right? So not, I'm going to tell, like some people's basically uh, decide based on, I mean, another like opinion. So I would suggest, do not go for other opinion. Okay, you can think about your interest first. Second one, learn very carefully with practical. And third, you will have to prepare your good CV and then go for the interview. So while learning the SAP, most of the people are doing the mistakes. Okay, they are not focusing on the practical. So I would recommend it, I would suggest to more focus on practical while learning the SAP for any module, because in SAP have a lot of module, either technical, logistic, functionals. So many modules are there. So you can learn those module which is very interested. Second is which are in the very good demand. Okay, and which and third is most opportunity. Even all module have a opportunity. Okay, so you can learn as per your interest. Okay, and third, you will have to prepare before going to the interview. Let's see, whatever the content you are strong or you are more confident, that content you can keep on your CV and go for the interview. So these are the basically fundamental things you should keep in mind while learning, while switching, or while searching a job. So thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye.